Still love you in silence, always. I don't check your name, but I still know the time you used to call, the way you'd go. I fold my thoughts like letters torn, still aching for the life we'd worn. The light hits soft where you once slept. I breathe you in with every step. The quiet knows what I can't say, that I still miss you every day. And though we broke without a sound, my heart still keeps you safe and bound. Still love you in silence, in all the words I never found, in glances held, in hands unclaimed, in echoes where your name remains. I still love you from a distance, in dreams that won't let go. I still love you in silence, more than you'll ever know. I walk the streets we used to roam, still hear your laugh when I'm alone. I smile for them, but not for me, 'cause part of me still waits for we.
You took the light but left your shade in every word I meant to say.
I still love you in silence, in midnight songs and window panes, in every tear I didn't show, in every truth you'll never know. I still love you in the stillness where no one else can see. I still love you in silence, though you're not here with me. Maybe some love is meant to stay, in hearts too scared to say. But if you hear this in the dark, know you still hold a part. I still love you in silence, with every breath I try to hide, with every time I turn away, but wish that you had stayed. I still love you with no closure, no ending I can't trace. I still love you in silence, in every empty space. Still love you in silence, always.